Welcome to another riveting, and I mean riveting, episode of We Farm with Junk. It's so riveting that we probably won't even start a piece of equipment today. So actually it'll probably be pretty short. My favorite time of year, and yours, is to clean up the mess that we've created during harvest. So everything that we've been hustle bustle just sat down. Now is the time to go through and pick that up, clean it up, start cleaning up tractors and combines and wagons and bears. Oh my! Couple of things though that's unique to my favorite time of year of cleanup is that we are also going to prep to pour a concrete pad right here in this mess. So I kind of got tired of the gravel, not having a good place to put like toolboxes and stuff. So what we're going to do is I'm going to work through cleaning up what we've got over here right now, getting it moved out of the way, and just picking up and getting this stuff out of the way so that we can work on getting this gravel pulled back. Oh, there will be some equipment work because I'm not shoveling this all by hand. Bonus feature for you viewers today. Also, another side note, like it's cold. There's a lot of frost on this morning, so it was like mid 30s, low 30s last night. I am hurting terribly bad and not moving real fast. So hopefully the sun comes up, gets a little bit warmer. I move around a little bit and get warmed up where I'm not just granny mode, which is what I'm in right now. Okay, let's get to it. Well, here comes what we're going to use today to move some of this gravel. So, with the tire in pretty good shape. Well, so anyways, we're going to use that some. We'll use the backhoe some too to pull out gravel, to start to dig it out so we can start to set the forms. I'm gonna let him do that. This day isn't gonna be too exciting, so we're just gonna keep working through here and get this all squared away. that took all day. I was thinking a couple hours. I was here at like 9:30, and it's 6 o'clock. And it doesn't really look like we got a whole lot done, although there was a lot of issues along the way. But we got everything cleaned out of here. We got the gravel dug down to grade, so we went 4 inches down. We're going to pour a nice concrete pad here this week, in a little concrete opening right out here as you walk in, so that'll be good. So I know we didn't have a lot of action today. I mean, there's some backhoe work and some Bobcat work. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Appreciate it. Give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing. Comment, subscribe. Definitely thumbs up. We're not getting any thumbs ups. Nobody thumbs us up. I appreciate it. Have a good rest of your day. Thanks.